Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Best, and this year I will be your student, 7th grade computer science teacher. I'm making this video and sending it out in case you didn't make it to open house last night or just simply didn't quite hear the whole spiel or wanted to hear it again because there was so much going on. I got to go back a little bit here and do a little pause. All right, so a little bit about me. I'm a math teacher and also teaching now this computer science technology class. I've been here in Hastings for about 19 years, I think, teaching mostly 7th and 8th grade. So as the year progresses, you'll hear more about, or your student will at least hear more about my, of course, gorgeous grandson, dogs, and my family. All three of my kids are Hastings grads and love this school district and hope you will as well. So here's what 7th grade computer science is all about. All right, we use the curriculum provided on the website code.org. It's the Computer Science Discoveries curriculum. And what we focus on in the first unit is a lot of problem solving. We talk about how computers think and work, how programmers problem solve and approach problems. Then we get into the second unit, which is websites, and your student will program a web page from scratch all on their own. After that, we do take a little bit of a break. I have a set of these Sphero robots, and so students will also program these. They're a lot of fun, and students really enjoy those. Then we get back into code.org a little bit and get into our animation and some gaming. All right. Code.org is also developing something on artificial intelligence, so stay tuned on that as well. We did just a little bit of that last year as well, and it's fascinating. So what does your student need for class? Really, a notebook. And that notebook can stay here in class. I have your student every other day, either A day or B day, and I find it's just easier to keep that material here. Then all they need to bring is a Chromebook when they come. All right. Resources that are available to you as a parent to look at things. I have a web page that isn't really as helpful as Schoology would be. However, the web page is just pretty static with some basic information. Schoology is where pretty much everything will be housed, telling students what to do. And code.org is the main platform for a lot of our assignments. In the beginning, there'll be some worksheets and hands-on resources that way. But as we get going in programming, most of it's in code.org. All right. Thank you. I'm looking forward to a great school year. And my hope is that your child, if they love tech, that they'll just embrace all of this technology. If it's maybe not their favorite thing, I hope that we can open their mind so that they enjoy it a little bit more. And the beauty of it is it's a very creative course. Every project that they do is all of their own choosing on topics. So it could be sports, it could be music, it could be anime. There are all kinds of possibilities, and I look forward to learning a lot from your student as much as teaching them as well. Thank you. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to a great school year. Thanks.